Hello guys, today I will show you how to check use a tristar tester. So we have got JC tristar tester. This is the latest version. The one before this had a Ethernet port here, but it just arrived a few days ago, and this is the latest version. So this is a handy tool to check, even though for an experienced technician it's not difficult to check if it's a tristar IC or something else, because I think in one of my videos I have shown how to check the ICs. So but this is pretty handy tool, see, I will show you here. So I'm gonna give you an example like where to use the tristar tester. So this is iPhone 7. So battery is connected. So look at that amp meter. So see, as soon as I put it on charge, so nothing happens here, it's not drawing any voltage. So if I remove this and use a non-good battery which is charged, so I put it here. So this is a charged battery, remember. So if I put it here and if I start charging it, do you see? So this is what happens in most of these small repair shops, that they think that's the battery, they replace the battery and thinking that it's fixed. But as soon as this battery is drained out, it's go to 0%, it won't charge again. So the customer will come back. So, but we don't know at this stage, like 100% if it's tristar or something else. So this is where this tool comes handy, which is this is JC tristar tester. So I will show you how to use it. So go back here. So we will remove the non-good battery. Okay, and then first of all we have to put this here and put the non-good battery here, and then plug it here. Okay, so let's turn it on. So it gives you information like SN and ECID of that phone, and as you can see here, USB-P NG and USB-N is NG. So these two lines on the tristar, so these are 1 2 3 4 5 6 lines on the tristar, and these two lines are faulty. So where it's showing NG, so that means these two lines are faulty. So this is a handy tool. Now we know, the tristar is faulty. I think I have already posted few videos how to change the tristar ICs, but I will try to record this one as well, and then I will show you later. We will check if it's fixed or not. So now you have seen how we can check, we can use tristar tester. So I have got same phone here. We will replace the tristar IC and then we'll see how it goes. Okay, so here is the phone. Okay, so first of all we will remove this paper here. So okay, this is blurry. So this is where the this is where the tristar is located. So we have to remove this shield so that we can remove it, and then we will replace it. So we will remove the shield now. So I have removed the shield, and now we will remove the iPhone 7 610A3B, which is charging. I will remove this tristar IC. Okay, so there you go, and I have got my plugs here, and this is iPhone 7 tristar IC. Usually what I do, if I'm not using the tristar tester, I connect the battery and the charger, and then I check the lines, the amps that is coming from tristar, and that is more comfortable for me to check. But this time I just totally relied on JC2 tool, and there you go. I'm almost. Hello, Sophie. Hello, Sophie. Hello. You should come out now. Okay, let's put a little bit more fluxy there. Come on. I don't want to heat this area any more than that, so because the NAND flash is just there. Okay, let's put some more flux, and I hope it's not underfilled. There you go. Okay, came out nice and easy, and now we will give it a clean. I don't want to move the board, so let's cool it down. So we have now removed the faulty charging IC. iPhone 7 and 7 Plus charging IC is 610A3B, but I don't know if you are aware or not. We can also use 1610A3, which is for iPhone 6s and 6s Plus, 6 Plus, and 6. So they are interchangeable. If you do not have 610A3B, you can still use this 1610A3. But I have got 610A3B, and I will show you here. I have to give it a little bit of clean here. Okay, so in my previous videos, I think you have seen I'm not a big fan of cleaning this with solder wick. On this small, I don't do that, so I will just put some more flux. And just give it a clean. So I have removed this the heat resist tape so that you can see clearly. And now we will give it a little bit of clean. So I don't see any reason, why you should be using the solar braid. I don't know, if you wanna use it, you can use it, but I always do it this way. It's easier, quicker. And I'm just seeing through the microscope where I see, you will see when I put some flux on it. Oh, sorry, not flux, but actually isopropyl alcohol. So that will be quite visible. Okay, let's put some isopropyl alcohol and we will give it a clean. Nice and shiny. Let's look here. So ideally, how I do it, I will give it a ultrasonic clean. But this cleaner is military grade cleaner that will, even the hardest remains of the flux, it removes pretty well. So there you go, and I will switch it over to microscope to show you. So that is okay for me. So now we'll put new U2 IC on it. So we have to put this heat resist back on, and now we will take iPhone 7 U2 IC i3B. Yep. There you go. And turn it over. Look at the orientation and goes here. Okay, and next thing is same way we have to put it back. So I will try to move it as much aligned as I could, and get the heat again. Set the temperature. Okay, all done. And now hold it right with steady hands Yeah, that looks like it's right here, and start hitting. And I'm just waiting now. When I know a little bit from my experience that some of the balls are melted, then I will remove it. Okay, and the next thing is I will start heating again. And wait when okay, should be okay. Oh, I don't want to move it, so I will let it for a while to cool down and then we will check it. So I just gave it a ultrasonic clean and the area looks, see how clean it looks now. So I always prefer, after I do any work on the phones, I just do ultrasonic clean. So the next thing I will do is to first of all put it back with the non-charged battery it came with, and then once the battery is a little bit charged, then we will again use tristar tester, and we will check on tristar tester if we have fixed the two lines which is it was showing faulty. So let's put it back. This is the old battery which is not charged. Okay, and so let's see what happened now. If it's start charging or still not charging. Okay. Put the cable in and yep, can you see? I will bring do you see the battery icon? Okay, what I will do, I will put the amp meter here. So I got the amp meter, got the extension cable so that you can see, and this goes here, and I turn off the light as well of the microscope so that you can see. Okay, very healthy voltage it's drawing, and I don't know, yeah, you can see I think now. So it's drawing right amps. So iPhone 7 charging I see being replaced, but I will give it a little bit of time so that it's got more charge, and then we will check on. So I will give it a little bit more charge so that when it's has got a little bit of charge, then we will check with the tristar tester. If tristar tester. So but we know tristar tester gave us the right information, which is tristar IC was faulty. So it's a pretty handy tool. Without opening the phone, you will know where the fault is. So after this phone has got charged, then I will check again with JC TriStar tester if it is still showing the fault lines or if it's all good. So the phone finally turned on. As you can see, the home button is also faulty on this one. It's not working. That's why maybe the customer, he was using this home button. So now we will check TriStar tester one more time, just out of curiosity, what if it's still showing. I will make it a little bit go here. Okay, so let's see what happened. So I will press this. Okay, it says restart the phone, so we will turn it off. And turn it on again. Okay, and so guys, do you see? So see this and this, out of those 6 lines, the 2 was showing faulty. So now these lines being restored after we replace the U2 IC. So this is a pretty handy tool, and it's gives quite good readings. So it was faulty, we replaced without checking, without going into any other investigation. We just replaced a U2 IC on iPhone 7, and now after replacing the IC, it started charging and we know it's fixed. So just out of curiosity, we checked again. It's not giving any fault line. So guys, thank you very much for watching. If you would like to learn these sort of repairs, you can contact us. The contact numbers and other details are there in the comments. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.